Hey everyone, is Microsoft Word freezing or showing a not responding message? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and there are several simple fixes you can try before reinstalling the program. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions step by step, so let's get started. First, give Word a minute to respond, especially if you're working with a large document. If it remains frozen, close the application using Task Manager if necessary, then reopen Microsoft Word and check whether the issue is resolved. Next, start Word in safe mode. Press the Windows key in the letter R, type WinWord/safe, then press Enter. If Word works normally in safe mode, the problem is often caused by an add-in or customization. While Word is open, click File, then Options, and choose Add-ins. Select COM add-ins, click Go, and temporarily disable your installed add-ins. Restart Word and enable them one at a time to identify the one causing the problem. If the issue continues, check for Office updates by opening File, Account, and selecting Update options. You can also repair Microsoft Office through the Windows app settings. A quick repair fixes many common issues without affecting your files. Sometimes the issue is caused by a specific document instead of Word itself. Try opening a different document or create a new blank file. If only one file freezes, it may be corrupted and need to be repaired or recovered. And that's how to fix Microsoft Word when it's not responding. By using safe mode, disabling add-ins, updating Office, and checking your documents, you can solve most freezing issues quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.